Yesterday, we were commemorating Nelson Mandela. And he's got a quote where he says, "With the sport is one of the things that can actually bring nations together." I believe Uguti, after sport, network marketing is the only other industry that can actually bring all the nations together for one goal. So guys, allow yourself to be polished. Allow yourself to go through the grilling process so that you can actually achieve all of your dreams. You know, we wanted today to just come and share with you our journey through the Forever business. We wanted to come and show you Ugutini. It doesn't take Ugutini, you must have a degree. It doesn't take Ugutini, you must be somebody who's high up there to do it forever. Like our MC has said, Ugutini, it takes a special breed of people to actually succeed in the business. Now you gotta ask yourself, are you that type of